Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a contact to your Cabify account on the Cabify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this count button in the upper left corner of the screen, and then click on the My Account button. That's the third option. Click on Trusted Contact down below. Click on Add Contact, so to whom you would like to share your journey information with. Then you should type the name of your contact into the first box, and then select the prefix of their phone number and type in their phone number. After that, click on the next box to type in their email address. And when you are done typing in all this information, you can save your contact by tapping on the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen. And then this new contact will be added to this Trusted Contacts section. As you can see, the app will send them messages to keep them updated throughout your trip. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.